Remove the elastic straps from the pen carrying case. The pen carrying case is also the pen floor. The panels are labeled A, B, C, and D on the bottom rail. Arrange the panels in order A through D. Start by attaching panel A to panel B as shown, with the labels facing in on the bottom rail. Insert a corner dowel into the corner dowel holes until fully seated. If your pen has a top, there are no knobs on the corner dowels. When these dowels are fully seated, they will stick up 3/8 of an inch. Repeat this process for panels B to C, C to D, and D to A. Tip the pen on its side, noting the snaps on the bottom rails. Attach the pen floor to the snaps on the bottom rail. You may want to rotate the pen to ease the floor installation process. Adjust the inner lip of the pen floor so that it covers the bottom rails. Pen assembly is now complete.